Alright, put the new Oreilys throttle body on. The Ford Mustang. I noticed a little something on the idler butterfly. This one has a little bit of space where this one don't, the original one, so it's telling me that could have been the issue very well. But no reason to get all over exemplary. There's the part right there. If it works, lucky all of us. Okay, let's tighten these up a little bit at a time. Don't go crazy. That's what they always used to say. I felt that one bottom out nice. That one bottom out nice. That one bottom out nice. And that one bottom out nice. Okay. Now put a little bit on this one, a quarter turn. This one, quarter turn. This one, quarter turn. This one, quarter turn. See that? And this one, give it a lock down. This guy, give it a lock down. This one, lock down. This one, lock down. Okay. Put the snorkel back on the right way. You gotta understand I'm doing this one-handed, so don't be knocking me. Make sure the tube's done right. There you go. If I wasn't filming, I'd be able to put on. It's weird the way that tube's fitting on her.